Do you struggle like me to move your footage from your phone to your computer to edit? Well, in this video, I'm going to be showing you a simple way of moving your videos to your computer to edit. Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel, the place for discerning content creators and entrepreneurs looking to uplift their brand online. If you're new here, please subscribe and remember that all the links mentioned in this video are in the description. I normally film on my phone, so when I'm done, I have to find a way of moving my videos from my phone to my PC to then edit. However, it's not as simple as it should be. This is from my experience. I've tried everything. I've tried using my phone cable, I've tried WeTransfer, I've tried Bluetooth, I've tried most of the common methods of moving files. However, I still found myself really frustrated. Sometimes some of the videos don't download, sometimes I'm searching for a particular clip and didn't download. So it can be pretty frustrating really quickly, especially if you're trying to get content out and you're trying to be consistent. You don't need that layer of stress on top of everything else. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you a very super easy, perhaps obvious way of easily moving your files from your phone to your computer to edit. If this is something you're interested in learning, then keep watching. You need to download the Google Drive app if you don't already have it. So for Android, go to the Play Store, and for iOS, go to the App Store to download it. Once you have it downloaded and you're ready to upload your footage from your phone, click on the icon and open up Google Drive. And once you open up Google Drive, at the bottom of the screen, you see this plus round icon. Select on it and click on the arrow to upload. Open up your photos and select the files that you want to upload to Google Drive. Once you are finished selecting your footage, Google Drive will automatically start uploading those files for you, and you can close it down and it will just be uploaded in the background. Open up Google Drive on your computer and just select the files that you want to download. Once you download them, and it's as easy as going to your editing software and importing them straight away. So it's so easy. It's as easy as that. You upload and you download. No issues, straightforward. Why don't you guys try it when next you're moving files and let me know how it goes. If this video was helpful, then give it a thumbs up and remember to click the notification icon so that you're notified when I post another video. Before you go on, check out the videos on the screen. The first showing you how to make the most of design mockups, and the second one is showing you how to place a mobile phone frame into your videos. See you in the next video.